Hi, welcome back. Another question of the day 41. Choose right options for billing plan assignment in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Let's choose the options. A is billing item category, B is invoice list, C milestone billing, D third party billing, periodic billing, billing category, and all of the above. In those options, one or multiple might be correct. Please choose the right answer. This is my YouTube channel. Currently, I'm holding 784 videos. Please subscribe and try to get more enhanced knowledge related to SAP SD and S4 HANA and other items as well as. And when it comes to my dedicated forum, currently I'm holding 5,850 students, and this all these are the different courses. You can choose getting master to write functional specification, and this is for idoc. This I specifically recommend for every functional consultant. So around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing these links below of the video. If you really like this video, you can like it. If you really want it, you can subscribe it. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.